Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it has been a minute. Today I am with my sister and we're going to go and do an activity, so I thought I'll take you guys with me. Currently in Liverpool Street Station. It's always so busy here, so it's nice to see it actually quiet for once. So now we are headed towards the Central line, I think? No, the yellow line, the Circle Metropolitan. Anyway, we need to get on one more train to get to one more station before we get to where we're going. I remembered, I'm getting the Hammersmith City, Metropolitan and Circle line. I feel like I had all of that. It was all a bit mumble-dumbled. As you guys can tell already, I've got my aligners in, so I am struggling to talk. I just feel like I really have to try harder than I ever used to, because I never really used to try before, because you know it was just normal, but now I'm like, oh no.
Sit down on the green sofa, all your belongings. Once you have done that, come back to the spot here and I get you signed in.
Amazing, thank you.
Much.
Okay, we have arrived. We need to get all set up. I'm actually really excited. Ready? Let's go!
So a light introduction of your name and one thing you like about the Asian culture. I'll start with myself first. We'll go around in circles.
Hi, my name is Gurjinder. I'm here with my sister, and yeah, we are from Asia, and this is again 17 she's out.
Yeah, everything I wanted to say has been said. My name's Ammon. I like food, the culture, the art.
The first place we hit is on the tip right here. Nod your heads if you all can see. And we don't want to smash the bowl. We just want to hear a click. Once we got our click, we stop immediately. Okay? So Alex, with the hammer, you can hit on the towel so I can hear how light you're hitting. Lighter for me. Top performer, okay.
Kintsugi is not about pretending something never broke, it's about accepting that it did and then choosing to make it beautiful anyways. There's a Japanese saying behind the art, the cracks are where the light and the gold enter. It's a reminder that our flaws and experiences aren't something to hide, they are something that make us unique. Changed my bowl.
Unless you want it on YouTube.
That's it. That's it.
This is a 1 in a million crack. Give me the. Come over. Yeah.
You're not wearing gloves?
There you go.
Oh, my bad.
That's okay. Take off your. Yeah, back to your
I'm not
station.
wearing these ones. Sorry. Okay, so I've just cracked my bowl already. The camera started playing up when I had to do it, but I'm actually really happy with where we're at the moment. Let me show you guys. Yeah, I know. I feel like it's very unpredictable. I think mine's a bit too easy. I like it. I like that I changed to this colour because I can use it for jewellery.
Just watch the video. We apply it to one side only.
I highlight it with gold so it's more visible for you guys to see the amount. And this we like to call thin and elegant, okay? I'm sure you guys all heard of Tokyo. It was once called Edo 400 years ago. And if you guys think Japan was thriving.
I'm going to start with this piece.
Alright everybody, make sure you spread it evenly all across.
That'll be thin and elegant. Yeah, and just spread out evenly, okay?
Flushly align, push in tightly to squeeze the epoxy out to create your line.
There we go. I'm actually really happy with my line. My line looks really good.
That's very good.
Time for the gold. You have to do this. Oh, this looks so good. Oh, you gotta do it from further away. Didi, look at this. Try and do it from the back, but I'm spinning mine. This is very therapeutic. but I'm very tense at the same time.
Proper line, I barely have a line.
It's because yours was a high reward.
Not yet. I'll let you know when for you, okay?
The hand is covered in gold. Thank you.
Yeah, this is your next one, okay, man?
Once you got your line, please be aware not to touch it. Your eyes are facing forward. You can only see the line in front.
Oh my god, my next piece is going to be tricky because look, it's the whole way.
And I'm
Mixing the
timing
last
you
spot
guys now. Keep on mixing, guys, and mix it thoroughly, and I'll let you know when to stop. Spread it like butter and spread it evenly. And I'm gonna come around in 30 seconds exactly. So double check. You can do that now.
When I was younger, I was so afraid of making mistakes. I thought every wrong turn, every setback, every vulnerable moment was something to hide. It took my own life experiences to realise that those moments weren't holding me back, they were shaping who I was becoming. And learning about Kintsugi reminded me that this has been a philosophy for centuries. In Kintsugi, broken pottery isn't thrown away or disguised. It's repaired with gold because every crack tells a part of its story. It made me realise that we're not all meant to follow the same path. Every one of us will take different roads, make different journeys, face different challenges and carry different scars. And that's exactly what makes us unique. If life was perfect, we'd all end up looking the same. It's the detours, the failures, the moments that humble us and the courage to keep going that shapes who we become. Looking back now, I'm grateful for the moments I once wanted to erase, because without them I wouldn't be the person I am today. Maybe our cracks were never something to hide. Maybe that's the part of us that deserves the most appreciation. Just like Kintsugi, our journey isn't beautiful because it was perfect, it's beautiful because we chose to keep going. I absolutely loved this workshop. It was a peaceful way of spending an evening, slowing down, switching off from the busy pace of life and taking a moment to create something meaningful. It's amazing how an art form can make you reflect on your own journeys, and I definitely recommend this if you're looking for a nice relaxed evening and want to try something a little different. I'll leave all the details for the workshop in the description below so you can check it out. And this was my final result. I'm actually very happy with how mine's turned out. That looks so good. I'm going to use this for jewellery.